and her friends are at the street and are going to the walking bus.
Kids, it's a walking bus. Wanda was gray, Benjamin was Lily, Dickie was orange, Bailey was Clement, and you're alone, Rose.
Okay.
Today in our classroom, Pinky is a new student again. Let's sing along together with me.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Well done, children. Wanda and friends love